everybody, so I went to Home Depot, grabbed a couple items I could have used on yesterday's project, but we still have things to do, so we're going to use them anyways. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this is what I picked up from Home Depot today. Today is the 28th. Tuesday the 28th of July. I could have used some of these on the project that I did yesterday. No, I think it was the day before, but yeah, Saturday. But you know, I still need to cut PVC for the sprinkler system that we're gonna make for my wife's garden. So I picked up these Milwaukee ratcheting pipe cutters. These go up to 1 5/8 diameter, outer diameter pipe. You also have other styles available. You have close quarters copper tube cutters, you have mini copper tube cutters with the side handles, you have the constant swing copper tube cutters, adjustable quick adjust copper tube cutters, and you have saws, and you have scissor style looking tubing cutters. Now these were $55. If I would have grabbed the Huskies would have gone up to 2 3/8 outer diameter. This only goes up to 1 5/8, so it's basically the entire inch larger capacity. But the Huskies are only $24, which I can always go pick them up later if I need to go that high in tubing. But most of the tubing I'm going to be cutting is about 3/4 or 1 inch tubing anyways. But I grabbed these because they were a Milwaukee brand. And these are not a ton, but they are quite a bit heavier than the Huskies. The Huskies are really light. So these were $55. The 2 5/8 capacity, or no, 2 3/8 capacity Huskies, I'm sorry, they were not an inch larger than these. They were like 3/4 of an inch larger. The Huskies though are extremely light, and one of the packages was broken, so I was messing with it. But if I need to go up to 2 3/8 large outer diameter pipe, I can always go pick those up for $24. The Milwaukees are definitely more expensive, and they're not as large diameter capable, but I like them. They're a little heavier duty. I picked up, because I have the 1 1/8 of these impact hole saws, which is this guy right here. It's 1 1/8. So I decided to pick up the other 3 that Home Depot had. They only had 3 different sizes. They had 7/8, the 1 1/8, and the 1 3/8. So I picked these 2 up. The 7/8 is part number 49-56-9810. And the 1 3/8 is 49-56-9830. And if anybody knows if you can get these in kits, would be much appreciated, because I'd rather buy these if if you can get 40 or 50 different sizes, or even 20 different sizes, if you can get them in a kit, that'd be awesome to know. Let me grab a light. The light on the camera just died, so. Just set a couple lights up just so you guys can see what I'm doing. There. There you go. So, but if anybody knows if you can get these impact hole saws, thin wall 8 TPI burr free holes, 8 TPI. So these are all 8 TPI, which is, they're nice. 1 1/8. They're called Milwaukee Shockwave impact hole saws. I like this one. I've used it several times. Works great. Spring loaded. This one actually shot the piece of steel I was cutting out. It hit the shed about 3 feet away, bounced off the tree, and then it ended up hitting the electrical box when I was doing that. So these springs are pretty powerful. I also picked up this Milwaukee all metal design reaming pen. I didn't have a reamer. I never found the use of needing one. I usually just use my angle grinder, but this works on copper and PVC. Machined precision, rust protection, limited lifetime warranty, slip resistant clip, and I do like that it's got a clip. You just put it in outside your pocket or whatever. All metal design for reaming all sizes of copper and PVC. And I could have used this, and I could have used this the other day, because the other day when I used the hacksaw to cut the PVC, this would have been preferred. If I wasn't using the hacksaw, this would have been preferred. But you know, I couldn't find the one I had. I had one of these, an old one from Rigid a long time ago. I just don't know where it went. It's probably in a toolbox out in the barn, you know, with like 70 other tools or bits or something on it, top of it. But so, and then I grabbed the other 2 sizes before Home Depot gets rid of all these Daredevil bits. Previous videos for the transformer doorbell videos that I did were moving the doorbell and everything, transformer and everything out of the electrical box. I showed a bunch of these multi-purpose bits, and I showed that I used the 5/16 bit. So I grabbed the last 2 sizes I didn't have, which is the 5/32 and the 1/2 inch. And the 5/32 is MP02, Mary Paul 02, and the 1/2 inch is Mary Paul 16. And I'll show you what I mean real quick. So 1/4 inch with a 3/16. So 5/32 smaller than 3/16, then 3/16, then 1/4, then where's the other one at? Right here. 5/16 right here that I have out of the package. Then 3/8, then 1/2 inch. Trying to show you guys without dropping everything. So the 5/32 is Mary Paul 02, 3/16 is Mary Paul 03, 1/4 inch is Mary Paul 06, the 5/16 is Mary Paul 10. I don't have the package, but I do know which one it is. It's Mary Paul 10. It's Mary Paul 10 if you're looking for it. The 3/8 is Mary Paul 12, and the 1/2 inch is Mary Paul 16. But I grabbed the 1/2 inch and the 5/32 today. I grabbed all of these the other day on the previous video. You'll see all of these on the video before you see this one. I just figured it's not going to hurt to have the extras. I needed this, or the way I cut the PVC with the hacksaw, and I didn't use a hacksaw. I would have needed this to cut the PVC. So, you know, it is what it is. I grabbed them, I picked them up. You know, they'll all be useful in the future. Not a big deal. Home Depot is supposed to be getting rid of, I believe, every single Bosch item they carry, because they don't want to be like Home Depot or Lowe's. They don't want to carry the same brand as Lowe's. Update, I'm sure you guys, most of you that watch my channel probably already saw Vince's information about Egos leaving Home Depot as well. Lowe's picked up Ego brand, and Home Depot is not going to be carrying Ego anymore. So I'm kind of crossing my fingers and hoping that Home Depot does like blowout deals on Ego just to get rid of the stock they have, because I'd like to pick up a couple items from the Ego power line. So hopefully Home Depot will do like blowout deals on them where you can get some of these tools for like 80% off, just because they want to get rid of what stock they have. If they do, then you'll be seeing Ego come to this channel, because I want to get the portable power generator that runs off the 4 batteries. I want to get a couple batteries. I want to get the Ego new carbon fiber string trimmer, because I've seen lots of good reviews on that. I also like that you just push the button and it winds it for you. That's a nice feature, especially when it's 115 degrees outside and you don't want to spend 20 minutes winding the cable, or 10 minutes even winding the cable because it's so hot. But I also have one of the hole dozers. I'm also going to be picking up just the kit that comes with all the hole dozers. I think it's a 20 or 25 piece kit or something like that. I don't remember. This is a 3/8 shank, so you can get quarter shank. So this right here would be quarter shank. This is 3/8 shank. See the size difference? Turn the light. So it is quite a bit bigger. And then you have also a 7/8 shank. Quick connects. But I will end up needing this, so it's a good thing I picked it up a couple days ago. This is the 1 1/4 size. But just a little haul of everything that was picked up. I don't want the video to be like way too long, but you know, it's already approaching on 12 minutes. The Milwaukee up to 1 5/8 pipe cutter, PVC, CPVC, PEX, rubber hose, and ABS, which this will come in handy when I need to cut rubber gas lines and stuff like that as well. It is part number, if I didn't mention, it is part number 48-22-4210. Let me know in the comments if there's any of these tools here you guys use, if you like them, if you dislike them. I do know that I like these Bosch multi-purpose bits. They do concrete, brick, block, stone, tile, plastic, metal. So I do like these. I've already used the 5/16. It works very well. Just start a conversation in the comments below, you know, what your guys' experiences are, what you guys like, dislike. If you own any of these tools, let me know how they've held up for you. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. Everything that's here was $113 plus tax. So, you know, because you get Pro Extra points if you're a part of the Pro Extra membership. All it gave me was the $113.83 for the subtotal, which is so stupid. If you pay $9.73 for tax, you should also get the $9 that the tax you paid as, you know, Pro Extra points, in my opinion. But everything was 113. These were 55. The cutter was 55. The 7/8 was $13.97. This 1 3/8 was $15.97. This reamer was $9.98. The 5/32 was $5.97. This one. And the 1/2 inch was $11.97. So 11, $5.97. The reamer was $9.98. This one was $15. The 1 3/8 was $15.97. The 7/8 was $13.97, and this was $55.97. Just to let you guys know. Appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smash the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates and what's going on the channel. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Great thing about the affiliate links is it doesn't add anything onto whatever you guys want to purchase. You don't have to click on a specific one of my links and buy that specific tool. You could click on my link and buy whatever you like. It doesn't cost you anything extra, helps the channel out, helps me bring content to the channel and get other tools for review, stuff like that. Any little bit amount helps, doesn't cost you anything extra. I get that from Amazon or Acme Tools or DJI Electronics. They just match the percentage of whatever you guys buy with like 5 or 6% for me. So don't hesitate to use the affiliate links if you like what's being shown on the channel. Appreciate your guys' time. Thank you so much for sticking around with me and hanging out with me today. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!
Yeah.